Hello guys! Mapagpalang araw. Today it's Friday. So we are here for walking with my lolo. So just you can see we walking a lot. 1 hour, and this is the place where we walking. This is the farm. As you can see, this is farm. Yan. So, ayan guys, this one, it's a Maguinda bed. Just in case of emergency. So, eto. At ito naman guys, kapag ang inyong bike ay naplatan, ayan. Meron sila ditong nakaprepare na pang vulcanize. Ayan. This is for only biking. All bikes, as you can see. Yun. Ang layo na ng nilakad namin guys from our place. So an hour. This is my lolo. More than an hour we can walk. So a little bit rest, and then after that we walk again. We continue walking. And this is the farm. Ayan. Celery, lettuce escasa. You can see guys. Ayan. Nakikita nyo na may net dyan. So this is the farm. Tall building. Dito guys, mangilan-ngilan lang ang building dito kasi ito guys ay paloob. Hindi na ito guys sa city. So, ayan. At kung nauuhaw naman kayo, so meron dito guys na faucet. So, ayan. As you can see, faucet. Kapag nauuhaw. Ito guys ay malinis. Ayan. Ito guys ay para sa ayan. Sa ano ng dog. At ito naman ay sa people of course. Ayan. Hindi nyo na masyado guys nakikita kasi masyadong reflect ang ating very sunny. Very quiet guys, nakon. Very quiet. Huni na lang ng mga ibon ang naririnig. Time check. 10 o'clock in the morning. So we continue walking guys. Babalikan ko kayo. At yan guys, pag may kasama naman kayong dog, yung mga dog lovers dyan, ayan, kapag kasama nyo sa paglalakad at na biglang na poop, kailangan guys ay kumuha dyan ng plastic. Ayan, ito guys is free. Yan, para sa alaga nilang doggy. So yan guys, uwi na tayo. Ito guys ang ating mga yan guys, ito ang ating mga sceneries. Oh, you see. Yan, ang ganda. Full of yellow and red. Yan. So big ang kasa, ang lettuce. May lettuce bang ganito kalalaki? You see? Ayan, ang iba guys ay nagkatumba-tumba na dahil siguro umulan nung nakaraang araw. So ayan. Guys, as you can see, ganito pala ang puno ng pigs. So ayan, nakikita niyo ba guys ang bunga. So ayan, nagkanda tuyot-tuyot na. Ayan, ito yung bunga ng pigs. So ganito pala ang puno ng pigs guys. Malaking puno.
Oh, Mister.
Yeah. You see? Lemon trees. As you can see guys, a lot of lemon. Dito lang yan guys sa daan. At ito naman guys ay iskulit. Kung tawagin sa atin ay lokban.